Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll jump straight into mastering the art of prioritizing tasks using Todoist priority levels. Let's dive in. First off, log into your Todoist account and open up your task list. This is where you'll be managing and prioritizing your tasks. The reason we do this is to have a clear view of all tasks that need to be ranked according to priority. Next up, you'll want to assign a priority level to each task. Todoist uses a color-coded 4-level priority system, with P1 being the highest and P4 the lowest. You can assign a priority level by clicking on the task and then selecting the priority level from the drop-down menu. This helps us because we can visually differentiate between tasks and allocate our time and energy accordingly. Now that we've done that, it's time to sort our tasks. Click on the Sort button and then select Priority. This rearranges your tasks based on the priority levels assigned, with the most important tasks right at the top. Let me explain why this matters. It helps us stay organized and ensures we tackle high-priority tasks first. Lastly, make sure to regularly update your priority levels as tasks evolve. This could mean downgrading a task's priority if it becomes less urgent, or upgrading it if it becomes more crucial. The importance of this is maintaining an accurate representation of your task's urgency and importance. And that's it. You've just learned how to prioritize tasks using Todoist priority levels. This technique is a game changer in managing your tasks effectively. Remember, the key is to continuously review and update your priority levels. Until next time, keep your tasks organized and your priorities